Hey guys, good news for India Young Professional Scheme. The ballot is open now, which means if you're eligible, you can start applying now. And it is open only for 48 hours. So do not wait for the last minute. You can start applying now. What I'm going to do is take you straight to the UK Home Office website and tell you what are the steps you should be doing to apply for this Youth Mobility Visa, which is called as India Young Professional Scheme for Indians. Now, remember guys, if you're not eligible, do not apply for it because you are wasting the space, which is only limited for Indian people. Only apply if you're eligible, and I'll quickly remind you what are the eligibility criteria. But before that, a quick introduction about myself. My name is Sarica and welcome to Your Knowledge Buddy. If you want to study abroad in any of this listed country, my team can help you free of cost. You have to fill the form which is provided in my video description and they will reach out to you soon. And also for people who are struggling to get a job in the UK, or if you don't know how to settle in the UK, you can attend my webinar which is happening on 20th of July, 12 p.m. UK time. I'll provide all the links so that you can register or just comment webinar and I'll send you the link straight to your comment section. But remember, I have limited seats, so you will have to book it today. Otherwise, I won't be able to take more people because I'm already above the capacity. Now, let's quickly start with this video. What do you have to do? Just go to the Google and type India Young Professional Scheme Visa and you will land up in this page. However, do not click on apply. People are just going and click on apply. No, you cannot apply for the visa because you have not got the ballot result. So first step is to enter the ballot. How can you do it? Under the overview page here, you see here, you must be selected in the India Young Professional Scheme ballot. So you will have to click this link, which I have opened here. And then what you have to do, if you are eligible, then only you click on this, enter the ballot. You see, this is already open now. The ballot will close at 1:30 p.m. India Standard Time, 18th of July. So this is open only for 48 hours and you can enter at any time while the ballot is open. However, I'll recommend you guys to start applying today itself if you're eligible, and you will need to provide your name, date of birth, passport details, scan a photo of your passport, phone number, and email address. Now, very quickly, I'm going to remind you guys what is the eligibility criteria. You must be an Indian citizen. You must be between 18 and 30 years old. You must have an eligible qualification and you must have 25 and 30 pounds in savings. You don't have to spend this money. Now, remember the most common question which I'm getting in the comments from a last video and also on Instagram was, if I'm a student in the UK or if my visa is about to expire in the UK, can I apply? I have checked with the solicitor. What he said, yes, you can apply the ballot, but say if you are successful in the ballot, you will have to go back to India and then apply for the visa. This is based on what solicitor have said. So make sure if you are in the UK, if your visa is expiring and if you're eligible, if you are within this age bracket, you can give it a try for the ballot. Now let's start with the ballot. So I'm going to click on ballot. Remember, you will have to create your profile. Here you can see the waiting time. The waiting time is already a lot. Your estimated wait time is more than an hour because it just opened now and people are going on this website now creating profiles. So there's a huge queue already. And you can see you can reach in the front of the queue. You will have to have 25 minutes to start your application. So you better be here. And if you need help using digital services, you can take help by making your application. But what I have done already, I have taken a screenshot from the last time. So once you are on this page, as you can see, you will be prompted to create your account, create a UK visa and immigration account. To use this service, you need to create an account. Once you have an account, you can use it to confirm your identity, apply, use other home office services. And then what you need, like I said, date of birth, your passport, your email address, phone number. If you need to give someone else application so that they can apply for you, also you need their email address and phone number. Now here, who can create an account? You can create an account for yourself or someone else in some cases, for example, your young child. So once you are out of the queue, you will see this pop-up button. You have to click this button, create an account, and then your account will be created. And once you have signed in, you have to start providing your details like this. What identity document did you use in your application, like your passport or a national ID card or biometric residence permit? For you, it will be passport. And the next steps are just about giving your email address, your phone number, and scanning your passport and just submit and then wait for the results from the ballot to be announced within 2 weeks. So in short, that's the demo. This is how you should be applying. And if you're applying for the ballot, comment that you have applied. And if you get successful in 2 weeks, make sure you comment so that I can interview you guys, success stories and what you have done, and maybe people can take inspiration. So that's all about today's video. And remember guys, you will have to go back and read the details here if you still don't know what documents are needed, eligibility criteria. For the ballot, you don't need anything other than your passport, not even your degree. It's not needed. Only once you're successful, then only the documents documents will be needed. So that's all for this video. I wish all the best to everyone who's applying, and thanks for watching my video till the end. I'll see you guys soon with my next video. Till then, keep learning.